Please like, subscribe, and leave a notification. Welcome back to the first episode of doing to solve a Rubik's Cube. I'm gonna solve this Rubik's Cube. Okay, with some easy steps. Well, today we're not gonna. It's not a tutorial of how to do this, but we're gonna solve this Rubik's Cube. Okay, let's go. Let's mix it up first. Okay, now time for solving it. No. Okay. Oh, okay, this is gonna be hard. This is hard. Okay, let's go. Keep going. Okay. I don't know if I can get this done in time, but okay. Now it's getting easier and easier. Now we just need to do is back into this one, so we get the cross. Then we do this. No, we actually do is wait. Okay. Now we just do is okay. Now let's get this ready. Finished. Now this is all for today, okay? Now peace out.